yet another instance of rift between the Manipur Chief Minister's office and the security brass there. In a later statement released by the advisor security to the Chief Minister and the DGP of the state, they have said that the allegations or the intel input that Kuki militants had infiltrated Manipur, that cannot be substantiated on ground. The statement has been released by Advisor Security Kuldeep Singh as well as Director General of Police of Manipur Rajiv Singh. Both these officers were appointed by the centre when Manipur was engulfed in violence. They are handpicked officials of the centre, and the N. Biren Singh supporters have not been too happy with both these officers over the last few weeks. We all know that violence restarted in Manipur in this month. From the first week of August onwards, there was a renewed tension that we saw in Manipur. And post that tension, where alleged Kuki groups used rockets and used Pompi guns and also drones to drop grenades on Meitei population. Post that, there was a lot of protests that we saw in Imphal. And during the course of those protests by students and by other supporters of N. Biren Singh, one of the demands was that the unified command control must be handed over back to the Chief Minister. Currently, the unified command is headed by Kuldeep Singh because he is advisor security to the Chief Minister. So what exactly was this intelligence input which has become the latest flashpoint between Biren Singh's CMO and these security officials appointed by the centre? On 16th of September, there was an input, and this was confirmed by Kuldeep Singh himself. The input suggested that about 900 Kuki militants armed to the teeth had infiltrated into Manipur from the Myanmar side, and these Kuki militants were equipped with better arms, better ammunition. The allegation being that the recent spate of violence that the state was seeing was because of the entry of these infiltrators. It was confirmed, like I said, Kuldeep Singh himself confirmed that yes, such an input has been received. But now the latest development is that after carrying out their own investigation, the security brass is coming to this conclusion that this input of about 900 militants is unsubstantiated. There is nothing on the ground to suggest that such a huge number has infiltrated. What they have also said, however, is that the Manipur police continues to remain vigilant on ground. They're still looking at the buffer zone, which is the zone between the Meitei-dominated Imphal Valley and the hills where the Kuki population stay. So the buffer zone there is still being patrolled regularly. Inputs are still being collected from the border areas. So the police is vigilant. But as far as this specific allegation is concerned, one will have to wait and see how this translates in the next few days.